Hello, folks. Welcome to Lego with Fonzie. Let us yeah. How's everyone doing? Hi. Hello, internet. So we're back. We're back. Doing the blacksmiths as usual. What is the usual at the moment? I've had some more parts turn up for the unannounced project. I'll be doing a reveal on that shortly. That won't be today, but keep your eyes peeled. That will be coming in the next couple of weeks. That's going to be a big project. So today we're going to continue with the construction of the blacksmiths. This is where we're up to already. Ta-da! Looking good. Today we're going to put some more on it. So first of all, get our first tub, but we need 4 pieces of this first tub. There we go. So as always, everything's separated to the tubs. Link in the description below to my sawing tubs. I need these 4 pieces. And they just slot on there like so. Like that. Right, next, that whole tub. Yes, that's right. That whole tub is the next build step. So let's get them. Put them on there. Like so. That. Ta-da! Oh. Another piece. Put that on there. Get the green corner piece to follow that corner up. So that whole corner there is that whole corner. I need to put another one on that corner, so I may as well put it on there while I've got it in my hand. Right then. Get some bits and pieces made. This is going to be a bit of a doodly what's it. So if I do go quiet, don't panic. Concentrating. There you go. Now then, next. In preparation now for the next floor. So push it on there. That's on there. Now the flaws of this come up really easily. It's designed to come apart easily, which means when I do get round to finally installing the lighting kit when it arrives, then yeah, it's going to make my life a lot easier. Because no, the lighting kit still hasn't arrived. Actually thought the postman had it with him today, but he didn't. It was some other bits and pieces I've been waiting for. Right, let's make a door. Now, this door that we're putting together actually has me quite intrigued. The reason it has me intrigued is I intend to use something similar, not the same, similar, on something I'm currently planning. Now, I do like this door. I like these pre-printed plates. I think they're really cool. Let me just turn that one round. Do that. That's better. Looks like the grains are going the right way. I do like that, and that's cool. Bugger. It appears I may have made a bit of a mistake here. Yep, I have. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Give me a moment. There's me happily chatting along, not realising I'd actually made a mistake on the door. My mind had wandered onto something else. There we go. A door. Now we want to install that way around, and then we want to put that like that. One moment, bit of a mistake. There's a theme today. Hold on. Hello folks, we're back. We fixed it. I literally had to pull this whole front end off. just to get to one brick, which is down there that had been put in wrong. So no big stress. That's now been sorted. Thankfully, everything is now okay. So without further ado, let's crack on. Next tub of parts. Now we want 4 brown and 1 dark grey. 4 brown, 1 dark grey. Bring this around. That piece goes on there on its own. These go here. Now we attach the flat smooths to the walls where we have these been attaching these green pieces on this corner. There we go. Next, more decoration bits. It's pretty much what we're doing at the moment, is decorating the floor before we move up to the next one. I get that. No, it does indicate where to put the flowers, but I've decided I'm going to put them somewhere else. I like it like that. Make a little half shield piece. Pop that on there like so. We want another one for the front. Got each ear. Oh, when you pick something up and it flings off. Hold on. I found it. With this so far. Put that piece on the back of that. Like so. I'm not sure if I'll keep those swords there. I'll take them out. I could even mount them somewhere else. We'll leave them there for now. But they will be moved and remounted on the wall somewhere else. Actually. There we go. They can sit in there for now. Right then. Next up. We're getting there. We're getting there. Goes in there like that. And then I want that to do that. To go like that. Ready? Just like that. There we go. Next, we've got a little kettle and cauldron arrangement. We've got our frying pan. I'm putting my frying pan there. Do like that. Little pot thing. Looks cool. Hey. More stuff to go in the inside. Basically, we are decorating the inside at the moment. That's all okay with me. So, get our bars. Pop them in our little barrel in there. Like so. Get my shovel and attach that on there. Get my broom. Attach that on there. Like that. Get my hammer. Just like that, you see? Just like that. It's just like that. Now we make another of these again. Bit of a difference on this one. Got an extra piece on it. See? Pops in there like that. So hey, well, there you go, ladies and boys and girls, peoples of the internet, whoever you are. Hi. That's bag 4 completed. Next, we're going to do bag 5, and that'll be the next episode. Obviously, we're halfway through this thing now. Let's crack on, get this thing done. As always, I am Mr. Fonzie. You've been watching Lego with Fonzie. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Much love to you all. Please hit the subscribe button. I would like to be the first Lego channel to have 1 million views, 1 million subscribers. So that's my goal. It's a lofty goal. It's going to take a while to get there, but you know what? Set yourself a decent goal and go for it. As always, my friends, I'm there, I'm everywhere. See you later. Have fun. Peace out. Look after yourselves. Let us A. Bye.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.